Hi everybody, I'm Jacqueline Blaine. I'm your instructor for English 1101 First Year Learning Community with the two CST classes. You're going to be writing and making an interactive text-based adventure game, which is really fun. I do an interdisciplinary class with Professor Cunningham, who's one of your other learning community instructors for non-majors, and we have a pretty good time doing that, so I hope you enjoy the learning community. I wanted to drop in here and give you some information before we get started, mostly to let you know we are not staying on Blackboard. I hate Blackboard, but I've been using it a long time. We are moving to Open Lab immediately, but I wanted to put this up because I know that's the first place most students land, is go to the Blackboard site to figure out what's going on. So I want to give you some basic information, show you how to join Open Lab, and kind of get you set up for the course. And one of the things you need to know right up front is that English 1101 curriculum, first year writing curriculum, has changed over the years. We are not a literature course. We don't teach Shakespeare or the yellow wallpaper or any of that kind of stuff. What we do is to help you gain some tools to figure out how to analyze communication situations and figure out how to create a text that best addresses that situation. And a text can be anything from a video to a text message to an image, a podcast, an academic paper. But the tools we want you guys to get comfortable with is just how to analyze whatever situation that is, whether it's academic or personal or community groups or professional. So that's what we're doing. And the first class, 1101, is all about sort of you learning who you are as a writer and a thinker, and learning how to do research the right way and play around with genres and creating new stuff. Now, the learning community, what you're going to be doing for one of our basic units is you're going to be investigating issues that are important to you as part of the gaming and computing community. It kind of goes along with the other two classes, but it's part of what we're doing, but it's going to tap into the things that you're interested in. So that's what we're going to be doing. So let me show you how to get onto Open Lab so we'll know how to get there. Okay, let me drop this down. Okay, Open Lab is a CityTech sort of proprietary thing built on a WordPress template, if you know anything about blogging templates. It's been around a while. It's not exactly like Blackboard. It has some things that don't work like Blackboard. We have to use Zoom, Google Docs, and I have a Slack channel, which if you've played around with Discord, it's the same, except it's more quote-unquote professional, whatever the heck that means. So we're going to be doing all that stuff. But first you got to get to Open Lab. So this is how you do it. So this is the main CityTech site. Up in Quick Links, you go to Open Lab. Now if you're on your phone, it's the same thing. It's a quick link. Go to Open Lab. All right. Now I'm already logged in, so let me log myself out and I'll show you how this works. So this is me. So when you first get here, you'll see this little sign up button. So you click on sign up, and then you fill this out. This is required but not displayed. Yeah, here's one of the tricks. You have to use your CityTech email account, meaning you have to have your Outlook account up and running in order to do this. So make sure that's working before you try to sign this up or it won't work. So put your CityTech email address in here, do it again. Come up with a username, whatever you want. It would be nice to have something that's, easily identifiable. I mean, I hate mine. They want me to change it. You don't have to use your real name. Okay, choose a password, whatever. Public profiles. This is where, if you kind of come up with a display name that's, again, make it a little easier for me to find you and not just some weird, Love Cats or something for HP Lovecraft. Something that I can recognize who you are. And then the account type, you're a student, you click on that, and then I've already done this, so this button will say complete sign up. So you click on the button. That will send an email to your CityTech email account address. When you get that email, you click on that. It will take you to another page here on Open Lab with an activation key. Once you click on the activation key, you can then log in. All right. So I'm going to go back over here, leave the Open Lab, and then I pull myself. After you get the activation key going, you go back to Open Lab. You put in your login information and log in. Now, how do you find our class? Okay, old picture. Haven't had a haircut in 6 months. Don't hold it against me. How do you find our class? Well, there's a couple of ways to do it. The easiest one easiest way to do it is to search, just search my name, Blaine. Okay, and I have several classes. This is ours because it says FYLC, First Year Learning Community. When you click on it, you can do, when you get here, there will be a button that says Join Course, and you click on Join Course. And since it's open, there's no other requirements for it, you're joined course. And then, to get to our class site, you go visit course site over here. Course site. There we are. This is ours. This has got all the information you need, got announcements, all kinds of stuff on it. Okay, so that's how you get onto Open Lab. Now, a couple of other things before I turn you loose and say go find stuff. And this is on here. First thing I want you to do is to, well, first thing is send me your email address. I will send you an invitation to Slack. Now, the nice thing about Slack, again, if you've ever used Discord, it's like that. In fact, this is what the Slack desktop looks like. And this is ours, in fact. Ignore me. Okay, so here's the Doodle Poll. So this is Slack. So send me your email address. You join this channel. And then you do all kinds of stuff. I mean, you can add, see, I added a file. You can add pictures. You can add links to places. There's all kinds of emojis. If you're used to Android, they look familiar. Okay, so that's Slack. So send me that information. Send me the email address. Nobody else will see your email address, and you don't have to give anybody your phone number. So it's perfectly private. You can DM each other individually. You can DM as a group. It's very useful. I suspect that Professor Cunningham will have a Discord channel for creating your developers channel for creating your game. But this will just be for this class. But again, you can get on here and be as private as you want. So you'll be using Slack and Discord. You lucky people. Okay, second thing I want you to do is do this Doodle Poll. I can't require a time, but I am looking for some suggestions, preferably on Tuesdays, because this class runs from Monday midnight to Monday midnight. It's just the way I got it set up, so everything's not due on Sunday midnight like they are for most classes. Most of the online world tends to work on Sunday midnight to Sunday midnight, so I just moved it to give you an extra day to get stuff done. But I need to know when and if people can come for a real-time Zoom session. So all you need to do is you will be able to, when you get your invitation, or when you click on the poll, you can add your name and then click on whatever time works best for you, and then I'll get that information. Okay, so you do the Doodle Poll right there, and that's that. Then there's this technology survey at the bottom, but you guys are fine. So that's what we're doing. Go back to me. So I will see you, I hope, on Tuesday. That would be August 31st, at whatever time we decide on. In the meantime, send me your information about Slack invitation, join Open Lab, send me an email. My email address is down here in this information around here somewhere. It's dblaine@citytech.cuny.edu if you have questions, or you can, once you join Slack, you can send me a text. I tend to react to them pretty fast, unless I'm in the middle of a meeting or something else. So I will see you, I hope, in class very soon. Welcome to the course. Stay in touch. It should be fun. See you later.